If you're looking for a good value for money stay in Koh Kood, this video is just for you. Today I'm taking you through Baan Klong Jao Homestay and I'll be covering how to get there, the accommodation, kayak, motorbikes, a waterfall, a boat trip, and the food of course. Let's get into it. Alright, so we use an agency called Bann. You just book through them and they sort everything out. The bus, the catamaran, all in one, super straightforward. Once we arrived at the island, they dropped us off by the hotel. Now to the homestay itself. First things first, the people here are incredibly welcoming, helpful and very kind. That alone sets the tone for the whole trip. For the rooms, there are two options. The cheaper room is right next to the restaurant, which could be a bit loud at night, but honestly, we didn't hear much. Both rooms have AC, so the major difference here is just the privacy. Breakfast is included as a buffet. Space-wise, it's pretty good, as you can see here. The toilet and shower. This is the entrance of the homestay. And this is the bungalow, the second room. Here you have a small balcony. Once you enter, you have the AC with the bed, a fridge, which the other room does not have. And here's the bathroom. Pretty much the same space-wise. Just a bit more privacy. Now something special about this homestay is that you can go to the reception where there are motorbikes and kayaks for rent. And as a guest here, the kayaking is free, which is big.
Grab that kayak, huh?
This is where we stay, and so yeah, we explored the river, the beach, and also the motorbikes cost about 250 baht for 4 days or more. So yeah, we grabbed one of those and went straight to the next destination.
Grab that motorbike.
And so yeah, we drove around, explored all the different beaches in the area, tried as many restaurants as possible, and yeah, enjoyed the whole driving around. One of our stops was the Klong Chao waterfall, which is less than 5 minutes away from the homestay. Then about 10-minute to 15-minute walk through the forest, and then you're there. Try to go in the early morning, cause in the afternoon the waterfall is pretty crowded. The next thing we did was a boat trip in which we went snorkeling. Our guide caught us some fish and calamari, which we ate. And the last stop was at the secret beach, which we enjoyed a lot. Now talking about the food, there's not much to say. Just go try out different restaurants, because there was not one restaurant where I'd say it was bad. Every single restaurant or food place was just amazing. Yep, that's about it. So if you want to go check them out, here's their Facebook, because their booking.com and Agoda are currently not operational. And yeah, have a good day or night.